Picture this. The year is 1162. Between the windswept plains of modern-day Mongolia and Siberia, a boy is born. His name, Temujin. The world would later know him as Genghis Khan, a name synonymous with power, strategy, and conquest. Temujin's father, a chieftain, was poisoned when Temujin was just 9 years old. Overnight, his family went from leading a tribe to being abandoned, left to fend for themselves in one of the world's most unforgiving environments. Imagine a boy, not yet 10, tasked with survival. How would you fare in his shoes? Welcome to Storyteller King. Here, we reveal the untold stories of history. Today, we explore the Genghis Khan, how one man conquered the world. Let's uncover the legacy of the greatest conqueror of all time. According to legend, Temujin was born clutching a blood clot, a divine sign of a warrior's destiny. But destiny wasn't handed to him. He earned it, one brutal lesson at a time. In a desperate struggle for control, young Temujin made an unthinkable choice. He killed his own half-brother to secure his family's survival. This ruthless decisiveness wasn't cruelty, it was survival. And survival would define every step of his rise. But even amidst chaos, there was strategy. Temujin married Borta, not just for love, but for alliance. Her family brought warriors, strengthening his position. But fate tested him again. The Merkit tribe raided his camp and kidnapped Borta. Driven by love and vengeance, Temujin forged alliances with his blood brother, Jamuka, and a loyal local Khan. Together, they annihilated the Merkits and rescued Borta. This victory was more than personal. It established Temujin as a leader to be reckoned with. What would you do to rescue your loved one? But alliances are fragile. Temujin and Jamuka's partnership crumbled over differing beliefs. Temujin championed merit, rewarding talent over birth. Jamuka clung to tradition, favoring nobility. The result? A bitter rivalry. Their final confrontation came in 1204. Temujin's brilliance as a strategist was unmatched. He ordered his warriors to light countless fires, deceiving Jamuka's scouts into believing his army was vast. At dawn, his cavalry unleashed chaos. Arrows, ambushes, and sheer precision dismantled Jamuka's forces. When Jamuka's generals betrayed him, Temujin showed respect, offering his rival an honorable death. And with that, the Mongol tribes united under one leader, Genghis Khan, the universal leader. With Mongolia unified, Genghis Khan turned his gaze toward China's vast wealth. The nomads faced towering city walls, but where others saw obstacles, Genghis saw opportunity. Ingenious and adaptable, he used captured engineers to build siege weapons and cut off supplies. His siege of Zhengdu was merciless. Starvation gripped the city, and the Mongols stormed through with unrelenting force. By 1227, Genghis Khan's empire spanned from the Pacific Ocean to Eastern Europe. But his legacy wasn't just one of conquest. He redefined governance, establishing meritocracy and promoting religious tolerance. Under his rule, the Silk Road flourished, connecting East and West, spreading ideas and innovations like paper and gunpowder. It's said that during his reign, a man could walk across the empire with a gold plate on his head and never fear theft. Though remembered as a ruthless conqueror, Genghis Khan's influence on history is profound. He united warring tribes, built a lasting empire, and paved the way for global exchange. His methods may have been brutal, but his vision reshaped the world. If you enjoyed this journey into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at Storyteller King for more stories that shaped our world. Until next time.